Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite someone to your workspace on Airtable. Go ahead and click on Workspaces on the left hand side and you will find the workspaces that you have, right? So you can easily invite someone by looking towards the right hand side and you will find share. You're clicking that and you just want to enter the email address of that person, right? So once you go ahead and enter it, I'm going to just simply enter an email address, for example, and at, for example, Gmail, just making up something right here. And then you will select collaborator there, right? And of course you can go ahead and choose if you want the person to be an editor, a commenter, read only, or owner. You can choose whatever it is. So I want the person to just be an editor. Then you can leave them a message. It's optional. Then send the invite. They will receive the email, and then of course if they have, for example, Airtable account, they can go ahead and just access directly. Otherwise they'll be prompted to create an account, of course, and then they will be able to access this specific workspace that you have invited them to. And that's all that you have to do, guys.